A horologist's delight, La Chaux-de-Fonds. The town of La Chaux-de-Fonds in Switzerland is to be found in what is known as Watch Valley, near the French border. The town was specifically built for clockmaking and watchmaking. Every year, La Chaux-de-Fonds hosts a ceremony to award the Gaia Prize, the highest prize awarded to horologists. Mr. Jean-Claude Nicolet won the very first Gaia Prize in 1993. His clock can be found in the town today. The pendulum of the clock is over 25 meters long. His innovation was to use one gear wheel as a dial plate, and he successfully reduced the number of gear wheels. The town's production centres are home to renowned high-end watchmakers. This company has over 200 years of history. Highly skilled artisans assemble each watch by hand. The entire process can take over a month. These watches cost more than $100,000 each. Watchmaking in La Chaux-de-Fonds began during the 16th century, when French and German craftsmen came here to escape religious oppression. After a large fire at the end of the 18th century, the town had to be reconstructed. The plan focused on watch production and incorporated a grid street system and south-facing buildings. In this way, every building receives maximum sunlight. Each building has a large garden to allow sunlight to enter for longer hours. It was vital to have enough natural light to make watches and clocks. Mr. Nicolet lives in one of these houses. He is working on making a clock with a minimum number of gear wheels. Regular clocks require 6 to 10 gear wheels, but he is trying to make one with just 3. Since La Chaux-de-Fonds town is conceived for clockmakers and watchmakers, it is one of the leading sites in the watchmaking industry.